In this video, you will learn how to play B on your alto saxophone, and we're getting started right now. Well, hi there, welcome to LearnSaxophone.com's YouTube channel. My name is Gregor Hillman, your friendly saxophone teacher online, and in this video, you will learn how to play B on your alto saxophone. Now, the B note can actually be played in 3 octaves on your alto sax. So it's the low B, the middle B, and the high B. And in this tutorial, you will learn how to play the middle B first, then the high B, and finally the low B. And the reason for this order, that has to do with what fingerings are the most easy to do to start off with. And if you're a saxophone beginner, this first fingering, that's actually one of the first notes that you need to learn. And most saxophone beginners learn when they start off playing the saxophone. And I should also mention, if you look in the description to this video, there's a link to a PDF if you want to download a fingering chart to go along with this video and other videos that I have here on the channel. But for now, let's get started with that first B. So the B only requires 1 finger for that middle B. So just push down the B key here on the front, and that's the first of these 3 main keys that you can see here on the front of the saxophone. So just pushing down that B key, and then you play the note, and it sounds like this. Now, just to dig a little bit further into this fingering, on the front here, there are actually 5 keys. So you have the upper key here, that's the fork key. That's not for this fingering. And then just below that, that's where you find the first main key, and that's the B key. And then there's a B flat key, there's an A key and a G key, and we're gonna cover that in other videos. But for now, the middle B, that's just that B key like that. If you wanna play along, I'm gonna do it one more time in the middle B. If you wanna play along, make sure you have the fingering ready and we can play together. All right, here we go. Okay, so moving on from here, the middle B. Now you're going to be playing the high B. The only thing you need to add to this fingering is the octave key. And that's this key here on the back that you push down. So you keep your thumb on the thumb plate here on the back, and then just fold over your thumb like that. And that will give you that high B. And that sounds like this. Now, if you're having trouble hitting that high B, you can try just relax your jaw a little bit, because if you squeeze too hard on the mouthpiece, it's going to be really hard for you to play that note. And this is actually one of the tips I want to share with you, because this does not only apply to the high B note. When you're playing any notes in the upper register of the saxophone, it's really common that you start to get more tight around your mouth, around the mouthpiece, but you should be actually trying to do the opposite in order to get a larger and a round, a full sound out of your saxophone. So you want to keep a good embouchure, good air support flowing from your stomach. Now, I'm not going to go into detail about that. There are other videos on the channel that cover that more in depth, but it's one of those things that you need to look out for when you play notes in the upper register, to make sure that you keep good air support and also control of your air and not squeezing too much, because then if you hit the note, it's going to be really, really thin, and a lot of times you can get squeaks and other things as well. So try that tip, that can help you, and also look at the other videos if you encounter this and need more assistance and learn more about saxophone embouchure and so forth. So if you want, we can play that high B one more time together. Just pick up your saxophone, push down the B note, and also push down the octave key on the back, and let's play it. Okay, so this is high B. Okay, so now you know middle B, you know high B. Let's move on to low B. And now you're probably going to understand why I wanted to save this for last. Now, low B requires you to push down 1, 2, 3 keys in your left hand, and you also need to push down this plate key here on the side. And in your right hand, you want to push down 1, 2, 3, and 4, the lowest pinky key here as well. So the notes for this are actually B, A, G, F, E, D, C. This is low C, and then you add this plate key. So on the plate, you got the G sharp key, you got the B key, you got the C sharp key, and you got the B flat key. You want the B key. That's the inner of these two middle keys here on the plate keys. So this is the fingering. 1, 2, 3, plate key, pinky. 1, 2, 3, 4, like that with a pinky here. So this is low B, and it sounds like this. Now, once again, these low notes can also be a little bit challenging in the beginning. And a common thing is that when you try to play this low B, is that you actually hit the middle B instead, like this. So the reason for this also has to do with your jaw. You want to finger the low B, and if you hit the B in the middle octave by mistake, you want to loosen your jaw, keep good air support, because that will help you find that low B. So if you're ready for it, we can do it one last time. I'm going to play that low B, and you can play along. So here we go, low B. All right, so there you have it. Now you know the fingerings on how to play B, both in the middle, the high, and the low register on your alto saxophone. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe to the channel if you want more on how to play the saxophone. Check out these videos, links below, and I will catch you in another video. And remember to have fun playing the saxophone. I'll see you later. Play on.